right? So
I mean, I guess from there, we start talking about like next steps. And I know one of the things that has always been a concern in this space as the cell and gene stuff has matured is costs and how we are going to figure out a way to make this affordable for people. And I understand there's some new thoughts in the space that maybe you can share with us.
absolutely, yes. And I've been thinking about a lot about this, right? And how can we make affordability for cell and gene? And to be honest with you, the big manufacturers, right, even small manufacturers, there's still significant amount of challenges when it comes down to supply chain strategies, manufacturing strategies, scalability, right? But imagine us looking at it, institutional base cell and gene programs, where
Now, institutional base, we're talking about doing it at the hospital level?
at the hospital level.
Okay.
So you, as a patient, goes to the hospital, get diagnosed, and you happen to actually go ahead and take your product right from the hospital that you get diagnosed with, right? And because they have outfitted an air environment in their hospital to be able to manufacture the products that you need. So truly personal, patient-centric way of delivering and manufacturing these amazing products to the patients, right? And by the way, there are some institutions in the U.S. that are practicing this approach that have been approved by the U.S. FDA. And I got to see some of that already back in 2019 at CHOP Hospital of Philadelphia with Dr. Grab's programs. And this is actually expanding. So it will be a significant challenge, right, to the manufacturers of these, the commercial manufacturers. See, how do we go ahead and make this available from a cost point of view? Because you are reducing significant amount of overhead cost when you're actually manufacturing these at the point of use, right? At the end of the day, the benefit is for the patient, right?
Well, benefits for the patient, and also I can imagine from the planning side of things, you don't have to take a sample out